There you go.
Okay.
Derek, you said you had to do something. What was it?
If you can't have a remainder, because when you have a remainder, you can't check it with multiplication.
And so you had an idea. It was blank.
Part 2. And we're back because Mr. Canada forgot to do the third box. Okay, so we're going to check using multiplication. Once we get our pen back. Okay, we have our pen now. So we know in the last video, we know that
Why don't you just write out the answer real quick? Do 122 divided by 29 right there.
yeah, we figured it out. And we know that the 4 and then the 16.
Write a 4. Because that was in your estimate, right?
And then, yeah, and then 16.
116.
116? And the remainder was 6, and yeah.
Derek, ask
and
your
then,
question again. What was it?
The remainder, if you want to check it with multiplication. So, what do
You
you
are
do?
right. You have to do an extra step.
Which is add a decimal and zeros.
You can change things into decimals, but you could also do what, Lucas?
What I just do is I just do like normally I would just times 29 times 4 and then add 6 and I'm done.
So right what you just said. That's what I do. Does anybody else do that?
29 times 4
Okay. And where did those two numbers come from, circle?
plus 6.
Where does 29 times 4 come from in the original problem? There you go.
29 times 4.
And you already know what that is because it's in the problem.
It's 116 plus 6.
And where did the 6 come from?
Because that was the remainder.
Okay.
And that equals 122. So it's always going to write that down.
So, look, there's a way to do the division problems. If we do our good estimates by changing the friendly numbers, that's on the front end, and it tells us if our answer is reasonable, and it did this time. But also, on the back end of the problem, we can work it backwards. Because 4 times 29 is this. And then if you go backwards, 122 divided by 29 is 4. So it can kind of go frontwards and backwards. You can really make sure you have the right answer if you do that. Hey, Derek, should that make more sense? What you're saying is that when you see this, you can't do it without making it into a decimal, right? Do you remember how to make your remainder into a decimal? Okay.
Wait.
We can work on that.
Yeah, I do.
What do you do?
Because then it'd be, so then you just, instead of a R, you put a dot. So that means 4.6.
Yeah, most kids do that. Like they put 4.6, and that is a good place to. It's. You think that would work, but you could also report it like this.
4.
And you can report it as a fraction. You can do.
Oh yeah. And
6 29s. And then we could talk about what changing to a fraction into a decimal is another step.
Oh yeah.
And we don't have to do that right now, but this is something that Derek, I think, is trying to get us to think about. Derek, do you remember this from last year? Reporting it as a fraction. Sometimes we report it as a fraction, sometimes we report it as a decimal.